Now to the top 12 of 2021 on just one station, 12 News. Every weeknight, now through the end of the year, we are taking a look back at some of the biggest stories of the year for us here in Arizona.
So up first at number 12, wild weather. All across the country, we've seen unprecedented and deadly tornadoes in the month of December. Hurricane Ida, you may remember, slammed ashore in Louisiana as a monster Category 4 storm. And we saw a summer of wildfires ripping across the West.
Dozens of wildfires burning homes, taking lives, and forcing thousands to flee a region experiencing a historic drought. The drastically dry conditions stretching right here into Arizona.
As Team 12's Tram Mai shows us, that comes even though Mother Nature unleashed more rain here than we've seen in years.
Monsoon 2021, torrential rainfall, flooding, and record amounts.
Monsoon 2021 was actually the 26th wettest monsoon that we've ever received.
The National Weather Service finding that summer 2021 is the wettest monsoon since 2014. This year's rainfall in Phoenix measured almost 2 inches more than the normal amount.
The valley isn't the only place breaking records in 2021. In Flagstaff, floodwaters resulting from heavy rains actually swept away a car in July. And down in Tucson, we saw a risky rescue after an SUV got stranded in a floodwash in August.
That same month, Sky Harbor clocking wild winds at 69 miles an hour.
When you also include the entire desert Southwest, which includes New Mexico and West Texas along with Arizona, it was the 20th wettest monsoon and the 6th warmest that we've ever seen.
The plus side to the heavy rain, Mother Nature making a major dent in Arizona's drought.
At the start of monsoon, 87% of Arizona was in the worst two tiers of drought, extreme and exceptional. By the end of the soggy season, we wiped out the worst level, knocked extreme drought down below 14%, and chipped away at the rest.
But it's still not enough. For the first time ever, the federal government is declaring a water shortage on the Colorado River, triggering mandatory consumption cuts starting in January 2022 for states in the Southwest. At the Hoover Dam, decades of drought have dropped the lake level 158 feet, exposing the bathtub ring, the whitewashed section of rock that used to be underwater. A few more feet, and the Bureau of Reclamation will declare the first water shortage in the lake's history.
Where we're at now is of concern. I wouldn't say we're panicked yet. This is the lifeline of water for, Phoenix, for Tucson, for Los Angeles, San Diego.
We still have a lot of work to do when it comes to our drought. As of mid-December, we would still need as much as 6 inches of percolating precipitation to get us back on track.
Experts say we are currently dealing with La Nina this winter, which means drier than average conditions for Arizona. And it looks like those dry conditions will continue into spring. On top of all of that, we also have the hottest average high temperature for Phoenix in November, along with record-setting highs into early December. Back over to you.
All right, Tram. Well, the good news is we have finally cooled down.